afternoon. This is Obi-Wan K21 Show Me Drones. I am here to introduce a video that I put together back in the fall of last year. Me and my wife, we went out in a beautiful day to a sunflower field, and it was full of sunflowers. I mean, there was a lot of gold shining all around us. So this is a video that I put together, using the Mavic Air 2. And there was a lot of families in there. It was very beautiful what we did, what we captured. And this is just an example of, how awesome, drones can be when capturing footages about what nature gave us. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever, I have more videos being uploaded into my YouTube channel. And if you like what you see, if you want to subscribe, I will welcome you to my YouTube channel and be part of our drone community, where content creation is going to be the main thing that we all love to do. So, like I always say, stay tuned because I'll be back soon. Enjoy.